c'est où j'appuie là, hein? C'est ça, oui, d'accord. Okay. At first, I wish I could thank Miroslav, Ilaria, and Bart, and all the CEPS staff, which allow us to come on board of this very interesting project, and of course of his leader and his director. Secondly, I want to thank also the team, the person of my team which are involved in this project, which are here, Pierre Lemoel, Baptiste Boitier, and Nicolas Lancesseur, which will follow and which have done the work that I have the pleasure and the honor to present to you. Alors, before starting, two ideas, and if you are interested, I will pursue. If you are not interested, I will stop, of course. That idea is what is Work Package 9? At first, it is to make a quantitative foresight and policy assessment for socio-ecological transition, quantitative with modeling. It is clear. Secondly, how it is with the use of a modified version of Nemesis based on results of other WPs. Okay? Is it clear? Are you interested? I can stop or I continue?
Given that you have only 10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay.
And
thank you.
Of slides.
Thank you very much. Alors, there are three main objectives in this work package. At first, it is to modify the mechanism of Nemesis, taking into account the other WP results. Secondly, to provide an economic reference scenario, a macroeconomic reference scenario. What is the use of such scenario with modeling? It is at first to reveal the opportunities, the challenge and difficulties for Europe during the next 15 years. And secondly, it is to make a reference scenario in order to assess additional policies. And the first objective, it is to assess for additional policies which will take up this challenge and which are enhancing socio-ecological transition. Okay? Alors, these three main objectives command three tasks that I will present to you very quickly. At first, modification, of course, of the Nemesis model. Secondly, to build a reference scenario baseline for European countries and outside, of course, but we will come again on that point. And third task, to make policies assessment. Okay? Donc, these three tasks will command the presentation that I will do. Alors, tiens, ça marche plus, là. Voilà. Alors, modification of Nemesis. I will present now very, very quickly, very briefly, because I don't intend to, as my colleague said, it is not the good time because we did it very well in a year. And I don't try to be heavy and to be... Alors, at first I will speak of Nemesis in a nutshell, very, very quickly. Secondly, I will mention only the stock-taking exercise, and then I will insist on the modification of labor market for skills in the Nemesis model, and then I will end up by the modification of other mechanisms, modifications which are linked, of course, to other WP. Alors, the Nemesis in a nutshell. Oui, vous avez un...
I'm afraid you won't have the time to do everything.
You are not interested?
I am interested, yes. But I think this slide is the best one.
Yes. Okay. I come to the best. Yes, it is in Technicolor by Deluxe. Yes. Voilà. Here is the Nemesis model. You know, the Nemesis system is, in fact, a core econometric model, which exchange with different modules which are devoted to energy and environment for one module, second module an agriculture module, a third module a land use module, and then a regional module. It is not exchange with the regional module, it is a split-off. It is not, c'est une désagrégation, it's a disaggregation, a split-off of macro results. Alors, I do insist, because you know our conception of macroeconomics for the core economic model is that in fact it is a very complex dynamic, which is an hybrid dynamic. Why an hybrid dynamic? Because it is the resultant of bottom-up forces, which comes from a huge interaction between sectors which are very heterogeneous. We have agriculture, we have traditional services, but we have also ICT technologies, biotechnology. It is all this exchange between sectors, which in fact will put the macroeconomic tracks. It is very important. And the second point, and very important, is that interaction between sectors goes up to the knowledge spillover, knowledge interactions. Okay, donc I passe very vite. Of course, there are international dependencies because there are 27 distinct models for Europe and a simplified model for area outside Europe. Alors, I don't want to pass on that because what is very important now is a modification of the model. Alors, you can see that there are four or five types of modifications. At first, we will put in the model the results of the work package number 4 on this new supply and new demand for skills. The new supply and new demand for skills for the socio-ecological transition will be put in the modeling. In a detail, it is a detail modeling, 30-sector modeling for the economic part, and we will put the result. The second point, we will try to put again, of course, the result of the work package 6 on the wage bargaining, the problem of mismatching, wage and macro loop. I insist on that point because, you know, in macroeconometric modeling, the labor market play a major role. The labor market, it is a determination, of course, of employment, but it is also determination of wages. And as you know, the wage play a major role in the determination of growth and competitiveness. And from that point of view, we will try to manage and to modify this very important block in the modeling, very important for the macroeconomic tract, taking into account all the result of W4 and W6. For the W10, and you see in that point, which is very important, if there are mismatching between supply and demand for qualification of our skills, then there will be inflationary pressure and macro loops in the competitiveness evolution, which will be very important for the economic track of European economies, of European countries. Okay? Then we will use also the result of WP10 for calibration with microeconomics. You know, it's a micro simulation that you will present, and I don't intend, of course, to present to make your job. But this micro simulation will give parameters which that we will take into account to make calibration on the supply and demand part of labor. And reversely, I believe that the WP10 intend to use our macroeconomic forecast baseline scenario in order to make calibration for your micro simulation. And we are very much in touch with the WP10 work package. Okay.
Just ask,
yes,
work
of course.
package 10 is presented here.
Yes.
Work package 4.
You agree with what I said?
And for package 6 is also around? Yeah, okay.
Yes. Okay, if you don't agree, it's time now to, okay.
Better now.
Discussion. Okay.
No comment?
You are not interested? Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, I continue. Alors, modification of Nemesis in order to take into account the energy and green jobs, we can, an econometric model is an open one. We can force certain relationships, in order to, we can say that in the past we had such relationships which is based on the data, on the history, and we can say that perhaps in the future there will be breakdowns, there will be a breakthrough, and that we can change this relationship. And of course, we will take on board on Nemesis the result of the energy and green jobs work package, of the healthcare goods and service, in order to force the consumption functions of households. We have a detailed consumption functions, and these detailed consumption functions will be forced, taking into account the result of the WP12. And of course, we will use the result of the WP15 for the transport. I will answer very quickly. Vous n'avez pas monté là, j'ai pas le...
Je l'ai dans la tête.
Ah d'accord, ok. The dream in the head, yes. Alors, for the reference scenario and baseline for European countries, we have 3 points. We will make a preliminary scenario exercise because at the beginning of the operation, we will not be available the result of other work package, of course, but we will try to, by approximation, to tackle the scenario. Then we will do the simulation work for the final reference scenario, and we will interpret results. Alors, why this preliminary? My accent in French is better. I speak a better French. Yes. Why you are laughing? Yes, it's true. Alors, why this preliminary scenario exercise? In order to help other work package to understand the Nemesis mechanism and the possibilities of modeling exercise, it is very important. Second point is to identify the state of art of mechanism relevant for the SET. And the third point, the two last point, is to identify the potential lacks and define the future developments, and to define external drivers and internal policy elements for the business as usual scenario. And from that last point, we will be dependent on the WP1. Nobody did quote the work package 9 for the WP1 exercise, but we are interested by.
Bon. I was going to say this will be a very important
yes.
point to coordinate between 1 and 9.
Yes. We have to be coordinated.
Because the different approaches that you have, different way you proceed, would be very important to have you sitting together very often, not just once at the beginning and the end, but perhaps throughout as your first results emerge, to cross-check, because I have the impression that when you put in your linear stuff, it will go off in one direction, and when you put in your your model stuff with had feedback loops which ensure equilibrium, then the outcome will never be unsustainable, because something else will happen to make it sustainable.
Yes.
And it's very important that then you see why the difference in results comes about.
Yeah, thank you. Alors, le reference simulation for the final reference scenario, that is our final scenario. Donc, definition of scenario in cooperation with WP1. It's exactly what you have said. And mapping implication of employment and WP3 implication of technological change. It is very important, of course. We will use also the growth accounting we discussed with Bart in order to define the shape of the growth during the next 15 years. Growth account measurement of contribution to growth of skill structure, of human capital, ICT, technological innovation, and so on. And we will build the 3 references scenario. The first scenario that I call trend scenario and not perhaps business as usual, because the business is not as usual necessary in this trend scenario. I changed the name. It is a trend scenario, and which is an extrapolation of the trends, of course. Then we will build the two scenario, cooperation with important growth rate, and fragmentation scenario, in the contrary, with a very low wage growth rate. We will discuss of this different scenario. I believe perhaps there will be some question after, but I have not time to, of course, to explain them. It is not to me, d'ailleurs, to explain them. It is to W.Wen and other parts. Then, voilà ce que... Alors, the result interpretation of this baseline scenario have two objectives. At first, to reveal main opportunities, main difficulty, main challenge for European countries on the SAT, of course, with matching skills, with demand, energy consumption, GHG, elderly labor force, but also on more general concerns such as competitiveness, growth, employment. You know, where it is very important to make this revelation. Oui. Alors, then we will use the central scenario, best reference scenario, in order to make assessment for specific socio-ecological transition policies. For instance, I am not exhaustive, of course. Assessment for more general, ça passe plus. For education and training policies, for students, high-skilled workers, for policy linked to aging labor force, and so on. I don't intend perhaps to be exhaustive here. Assessment for more general policies, I put low carbon in more general because it's discussed in a lot of places, low carbon society. The R&D and innovation policies, the Commission is very interested by R&D innovation policies and the result of R&D innovation policies on the macro tracks. And all policies, of course, relevant to the 2020 European strategy, smart growth, sustainable growth, and inclusive growth, as we said this morning. Voilà. Alors, les résultats, the results, in fact, the assessment will be made by comparing the result of simulation, implementing policies with the references scenario. It is the way the modeler make assessment, of course. And the results will be available by country, by sector, on macroeconomic, and at a European level, at a macro level, and at a regional level for some results, for employment and growth, for instance.